In this guide, we're going over how to use Forza Horizon 5 liveries and if it's even possible to transfer those car designs from FH5 to FH6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you're wondering whether you can transfer the FH5 liveries to Forza Horizon 6, the answer is not technically directly. You cannot automatically move, complete car designs or liveries from Forza Horizon 5 into Forza Horizon 6. However, you can import your vinyl groups. To do this, just go down to Design and Paints from your garage itself, specifically on the Car tab. And then from here, go ahead and find Apply Vinyls and Decals. Open it up. You can just go ahead and hit OK and then hit Don't Show Again, for example. And essentially, you need to open this up, select a vinyl shape specifically on here. So hit Apply Vinyl Shape. And in this section right here, what you need to go ahead and do is scroll to the far right, and you'll find your FH5 vinyls. Before they do appear, you do need to import them. To import them, of course, what you need to do is press the import button shown on screen. It's going to be Y on Xbox, triangle on PlayStation. Before they do appear, though, you need to do this. Otherwise, obviously, they're not going to pop up. Then from here, submit the import request, wait for the process to complete. Depending on how many vinyl groups you created in Forza Horizon 5, this may take a little bit of time, but whenever the import's finished, you'll receive a notification and your FH5 vinyl groups will become available to use. Keep in mind that only the vinyl groups will transfer. If you want a specific livery from Forza Horizon 5, you're going to need to recreate the design manually in Horizon 6 using those imported vinyls and decals. But yeah, that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.